children, how are you? Okay, I think all are fine children. Every class we learned about IIT chemistry in 7th class. Previous class we discussed modern periodic table. In modern periodic table we learned about information about periods. So what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements. The physical and chemical properties of the element of the periodic functions, their electronic configuration. So the physical and chemical properties of the element and the periodic functions of their electronic configuration of the element. Electronic configuration of element is called modern periodic law. Next, what is modern periodic table? The systematic arrangement of the elements in a table is called long form of the periodic table. What is periodic? We learned about previous class what is periodic law and what is periodic table. After that, how many elements we have children? 118 elements. 118 elements are arranged in modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, how many elements we have children? 118 elements. So 108 elements are divided into some groups and periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. Previous class we learned about information about periods. So first this is modern periodic table. In modern periodic table divided into 4 blocks. Those 2 groups are S block elements. Next those are P block elements. Next those are D block elements. Next down arranged in F block elements. F block elements in the modern periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, D block, P block and F block. How many periods S and P block elements is called representative elements except noble gas. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called NL transition elements. F block elements divided into 2 periods: lanthanides and actinoids. Lanthanides is called rare earth metals. Lanthanides are rare earth metals. Actinoids are called radioactive elements. Previous class we learned about information about periods. How many periods we have children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is period definition? Horizontal rows are called periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Periods we have to take left to right. Horizontal rows are called periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. How many periods we have children? 7 periods. First period, 6th, 5th, 4th, 2nd. We have 7 periods. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. Horizontal rows are called periods. So how many periods we have children? 7 children. So first period having how many elements? Previous class we have discussed first period having how many elements? 2 elements. Which elements, Nana? Hydrogen and helium. First period is called shortest period. First period having 2 elements is called shortest period. Second and third period having 8 elements. Second period 8, third period also 8. This is called short period. Second and third period is called short period. First period having 2 elements. Second and third elements having 8 elements. This is called short period. Next 4 and 5th period is called long period. 4 and 5th having how many elements? 18 elements. 4 and 5th having 18 elements. This is called long period. Next 6th period having how many elements? 32 elements is called longest period. 6th period having longest period. 7th period having 31 elements is called incomplete period. Up to here previous class we learned only information about periods. First period having 2 elements, two elements, this is called shortest period. Second and third element, third period having 8 elements, this is called short period. 4 and 5 is called 4 and 5 having 18 elements, this is called long period. 6th period having 32 elements is called longest period. 7th period is called incomplete period. Now we are discussed information about groups. Information about groups. What is group? What is group? How many groups we have, children? 18 groups. What is definition of group? Vertical columns are vertical columns are called groups. 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 How many groups we have, children? 18 groups. 18 groups divided into some 2 subgroups. 18 groups divided into 2 subgroups. First A groups 8, B groups 10. 8 plus 10, 18. So what is information of now we are discussing information about groups. So vertical columns are called groups. Vertical columns are called groups. How many groups we have, children? 18 groups. So 18 groups divided into 2 subgroups, some A groups, some B groups. A groups 8, B groups 10. See the now A groups here. First A group. This is first A group. First A group. First A. This is second A. Next, this is third A. Next, fourth A. Fifth A. Sixth A. Seventh A. Last group, eighth A. First A, second A, third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A groups are 8. Remaining B groups. How many B groups? 10 B groups. How many B groups? 10. So here first B. This is second B. First B, second B, third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B. This is seventh B. These 3 groups are scanning pattern, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Scanning pattern, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron. Cobalt, forget here cobalt. Oh my God. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here this is first B. This is second B. Listen properly. First B, second B. This is third B. Fourth B. Fifth B. Sixth B. Seventh B. These 3 groups are subgroups. 8 group elements. These 3 are subgroups. 8 group elements. Subgroups. So how many groups we have, children? 18 groups. 18 groups divided into some A groups, some B groups. How many A groups? 8. How many B groups? 10. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 groups. In middle, see Nana, first A, first B, second B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 B groups, 8 A groups. Okay, this is first B, second B, third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. These three are subgroups. 8 group elements. 8 group elements. Subgroups. 8B, 8 group elements. 8 group elements. Next, after that we have discussed first A group elements. First A group elements. First A group elements. Common elements we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, phosphorus. First A group elements are called alkali metal elements. Alkali metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. This name alkali metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkali earth metals. Second A group elements are called alkali earth metals. Keep in your mind alkali earth metals. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkali earth metals. First A lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements. Second A group elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Next, third A group elements. First element what children? Boron. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Third A group elements are called boron family. Third A group elements are called boron family. Third A group elements boron family. Fourth A group elements. First element what? Carbon. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. This is fourth A group elements. Fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Carbon family. Carbon family. Carbon family. Next, fifth A group elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, antimony. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So nitrogen family. This is nitrogen family. Another name pnictogens. Pnictogens. P silent here. Pnictogens. Pnictogens. Nitrogen family another name. Pnictogens. Nitrogen family another name. Pnictogens. Nitrogen family another name. Pnictogens. Here P silent. P-N-I-T-O-G-E-N-S. Pnictogens. Next, oxygen family. 6th A group element. Oxygen family. Oxygen family. Another name chalcogens. 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 Next, 7th A group element halogens. Halogens. Halogen family. Halogen family. Halogens. Next, last group. Zero group. Zero group. Last group. Zero group are noble gases. Noble gases are inert gases are halogens. Inert gases are halogens. 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 A-E-R-O-G-E-N-S. Halogens. How many names is there? 8 group element. Zero group are noble gases, are inert gases, are halogens. So this is information about groups. How many groups we have children? 18 groups. 18 groups divided into some A groups, some B groups. Say first A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Third A group elements boron family. Boron family. This one boron family. Boron family. Next. 18 groups divided into some A groups, some B groups. How many A groups children? 8 A groups. Remaining 10 B groups. So first A group elements are called alkali metals: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second A group elements are alkali earth metals: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Third A group elements: boron family: boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Next, fourth A group element: carbon family: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Fifth A group elements: nitrogen family, another name nitrogens: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Next, oxide family: oxen, another name chalcogens: oxen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Next, halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogen family are halogens. Next, eighth A group elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Eighth A group elements, another name zero group elements are noble gases, are inert gases, are halogens. This is information about groups. Next, general electronic configuration of first group element. NS1. Second A group element NS2. Second A group element electronic configuration NS2. First A group element electronic configuration NS1. Second A NS2. Next, now after we have discussed now general electronic configuration of. See Nana, I will write table now. See, once again I repeat. So in periodic table having how many elements? Nana, 118 elements. 118 elements are arranged in periodic table. Some groups, some periods, 7 periods, 18 groups. 7 periods are arranged in horizontal rows. 18 groups are arranged in vertically columns. Vertically columns mean top to bottom. Horizontal rows mean left to right. How many periods we have? 7 periods. 7 period, first period having how many elements? 2 elements is called shortest period. Second and third periods having 8 elements is called short period. Next, fourth and fifth is called longest period. How many elements we have children? 18 elements. Sixth period, long period. Sixth period is called 32 elements is called longest period. Seventh period having 31 elements is called short. This is incomplete period. Next, in SN, in periodic table divided into 4 blocks: SN, P, SP, D, F. S block elements are arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements are arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements are arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements are arranged in bottom of the periodic table. S and P block elements are called representative elements. D block elements are called transitional elements. F block elements are called inner transitional elements. F block elements are divided into 2 series: lanthanide series and actinide series. Lanthanide series mean rare earth metals. Actinide series mean radioactive elements. Okay, Nana. Next, after that, information about groups. How many groups we have children? 8 A groups, 10 B groups. First A group elements is called alkali metals. Second A group elements are called alkali earth metals. Third A group elements are called boron family. Fourth A elements are called carbon family. Fifth A group elements nitrogen family. Sixth A group elements oxygen family. Seventh A group elements halogens. Eighth A group elements are called zero group or inert gases or noble gases or halogens. 4 names we have. Okay, Nana? Those are zero group. Next, we have discussed general electronic configuration of A group element. General electronic configuration of A group elements. See, Nana? How many groups we have children? 18 groups. 18 groups. How many subgroups is there? 8 A groups, 10 B groups. So now we have discussed general electronic configuration of first A group elements. General electronic configuration of general electronic configuration. Next, valence electrons, valence electrons. Next, valence. So first year to Feldman general electronic configuration NS1. Keep in your mind, learn properly. First year to Feldman general electronic configuration NS1. How many atoms is there? Valence electron 1. Valence 1. Next, second year to Feldman general electronic configuration NS2. Valence electrons 2. Valence also 2. Third year to Feldman boron family general electronic configuration NS2. NP1 general electronic configuration of third year Feldman NS2 NP1 second year Feldman general electronic configuration NS2. Next third year Feldman NS2 NP1. How many valence electrons? 3 is there, so valence is 3. Next fourth year Feldman general electronic configuration NS2 NP2 how many electrons? 4. So here onwards metals, non-metals 8 minus 4 valence is 4. The valence of metals are equal to group number. Valence of non-metals are equal to 8 minus group number. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Next fifth year group NS2 NP3 general electronic configuration NS2 NP3 number of electrons 5. 8 minus 5 valence is 3. This is valence electron, this is valence. Next sixth year group elements general electronic configuration NS2 NP4 so how many electrons is there? 6 electrons. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Next seventh year group elements NS2 NP5 general electronic configuration of seventh year group element NS2 NP2 7 electrons. 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Next 8th year group element general electronic configuration of 0 group NS2 NP6 electrons 8 minus 8 equals to 0. This is tabular form of general electronic configuration of first year to 8th year group elements. First year to 8th year group elements. Allow you draw this table and learn properly and okay. So this is tabular form of groups. First year group element general electronic configuration NS1. Second year group element general electronic configuration NS2. Number of valence electrons 1. Here valence is 1. Second year group element general electronic configuration NS2. Valence electrons 2. Valence is 2. Next third year. What is valence electrons? How many electrons present in large shell? That number indicate valence electrons, you know. Okay. Next third year group element general electronic configuration NS2 NP1. How many valence electrons? 3. Valence is 3. Next fourth year group element general electronic configuration NS2 NP2. So valence electrons 4. Valence 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Fifth year group element general electronic configuration NS2 NP3. Valence electrons 5. Here onwards non-metals 8 minus group number. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Next, sixth year group element general electronic configuration NS2 NP4. Valence electron 6. Valence 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Next, seventh year group element general electronic configuration NS2 NP4. Valence electron 7. Valence 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Zero group elements last group 8A. Electronic configuration general electronic configuration NS2 NP6. Valence electrons 8. Valence 0. Okay, now all of you draw this tabular form. Next we are discussed about general electronic configuration of S-block elements. S-block elements and B-block elements. How many blocks we have today? 4 blocks. General electronic configuration of S-block elements and general electronic configuration of B-block elements. General electronic configuration of S-block elements. Write down S-block elements. general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. S block elements electronic configuration NS 1 or 2. Okay. P block elements. P block element general electronic configuration. P block element general electronic configuration. NS2, NP 1 to 6. NS2, NP 1 to 6. So first group, third group now NS2, NP1, fourth group NS2, fifth group NS2, like that. So general electronic configuration of P block elements NS2, NP 1 to 6. D block elements. General electronic configuration of D block elements NS2, NP6, NS2, NP, NS2, NS1 or 2, N-1, D into 1 to 14. NS1 or 2, N-1, D 1 to 14, 1 to 14, 1 to 10. Sorry, D block no 1 to 10. General electronic configuration of D block elements. D block elements mean scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, like that. No. For example, scandium general electronic configuration and 3D10. For example, 3D1, 4s2. No, like that. Okay. So NS1 or 2, N-1, D 1 to 10. Next, F block element general electronic configuration. NS2, N-1, D, NS2, N-1, D, N-1, F1 to 14, D 1 or 2, D 1 or 2, NS2, N-1, D 1 or 2, N-1, F 1 to 14. This is general electronic configuration of S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. S block element general electronic configuration NS1 or 2, P block element general electronic configuration NS2, NP 1 to 6, 2 or 1 to 6. Next, D block elements NS2 1 or 2, N-1 to D 1 to 10. NS2, F block element general electronic configuration NS2, N-1, D 1 or 2, N-1, F 1 to 14. This is general electronic configuration of S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. Okay, Dana. Once again, I will revise. Listen properly. So, this concept modern periodic table. Modern periodic table having 118 elements. 118 elements divided into some groups, some periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. First period is called shortest period. Second period is called short period. Second and third period is called short period. Fourth and fifth period is called long period. Next, sixth period is called longest period. Seventh period is called incomplete period. Next, groups. First year group elements is called alkali metals. Second year group elements is called alkali earth metals. Third year group elements boron family. Fourth year group elements carbon family. Fifth year group elements called nitrogen family. Another name nitrogens. Next, sixth group elements is oxygen family. Another name chalcogens. Seventh year group elements is halogen family. Eighth year group element zero group are noble gases and inert gases are halogens. Okay. Next, S block in periodic table divided into 4 blocks. S block elements, D block elements, S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. S block elements arranged in left side of the periodic table. P block elements arranged in right side of the periodic table. D block elements arranged in middle of the periodic table. F block elements arranged in bottom of the periodic table. In F block elements divided in 2 series, Longthread series and earth knot series. Longthread series mean rare earth metals. Longthread series mean radioactive elements. Okay. Next, General electronic configuration of first year group elements NS1, second year group elements NS2, third year group elements NS2 NP1, fourth group elements NS2 NP2, fifth group NS2 NP3, sixth group NS2 NP4, seventh next year NP5, eighth group NS2 NP6. That is general electronic configuration of 8th year group elements up to first year to 8th year group elements. This is a general electronic configuration of S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. So listen properly this video, Nana. You have to write notes. Any doubt you ask to me. Okay. See you. Thank you. Next. See you tomorrow. Thank you, children. Bye.